owner's pissed, but I can't really do skinny shit, can I? Look at this skinny arsehole. Fucking hell, mate. Maybe I can fucking wheel it. Maybe I can lean up through that skinny road. Yes, YouTube, man, we've got another one coming from London, man. The weather's, well, it looks like we're gonna fight against the weather today, man. I'm trying to pop out, it's been raining already, and then yeah, I'm trying to parody there's some little yellow storm warning, whatever it is. So I'm trying to get some practice in before this rain actually comes. Let's see if I can even control any wheelies with like the floor being a bit wet or whatever. But yeah, man, big up all the British motocross racers, man, because it must be so hard to get good in our weather. Like our weather, like we don't get as much practice time as everybody else. So big up all the British champions that managed to get sick on their motorbike even with our weather. Ooh. But yeah, subscriber pointed out, look how bad they might look how bad like my steering is. It might be the bar mount clamps might be bent. I thought maybe I could just try and realign them, but I might need to get a new bar mount and the handlebars, just sort it out. But I'm not the best mechanic, mate, so I'm like, oh shit, I might make it worse. So I've just been riding like this. Oh. Definitely making a difference, man. It definitely feels dodgy as hell. Ooh. Just get our practice in. I hate when that one car parks there, and that one car parks there on the left. Whenever someone does that, it just fucks me up. Oh, fucks me up with a proper. There makes me scared as hell, boy. I'm trying to swerve into that shit. Oh. Cut this bitch. These handlebars are just making my bike feel like a lemon now. It feels like some crap top bike now, but it's actually fresh. Fucking hell. But yeah, man, I'm getting it. I'll be honest with you, UK, man. I don't know how much longer I can put up with UK weather, man. I love that I come from London, but man, this UK weather is not the one, man. I want to be outside all the time. And when the weather is good, I gotta lay bricks. So it's like you get rained off from bricklaying, but then you can't do the fun things when you're rained off, right? So it's all messed up, man. I'm trying to start spending time overseas. So I'm not gonna lie, man. Eventually, I'm not saying when, man, there's gonna be a lot of overseas content in some lit countries that love bikes and shit. It's gonna be lit. I'm not gonna say where, man. I wanna leave that for a surprise, but next year I'm spending months, man. I'm talking months overseas. bucks. Until eventually we might even find a place that we can stay there. But for now we're grinding. For now we're grinding. Grinding at work, grinding on bikes. Shit, but I'd much rather just be grinding on bikes. Big up everyone that just gets to ride full time. You're not doing your thing, boy. I'm trying to be like that. In the cars, we're trying to practice. You don't know how it goes. It's the weekend. I'm here to make you lot smile. Yeah, I need to go back round. I need to get a real smooth one. I need to get better now. I know I can coast now. I got one nice cheap little coast. Now I'm not gonna lie, it felt much better than it looked, yeah? Like, it don't look like nothing special, but that shit felt fucking heavily, mate. But now I need to be able to coast and then more keep it moving, coast, keep it moving, so I can slow it down. Oh, fucking love my bike, man. Fucking love my bike. Love this bike, boy. This strip looking nice right now. Let me let this car pass. Don't tell me don't want these bicycles ruining it either. I want the bicycles them. There we go. gonna lie, I just found like a new positioning. How do I really explain this? Like, kept my elbows a bit more in, I kept myself a bit upright, like closer to the handlebars. It kind of felt like I got better control and view. So let me go back, spin the block, try that again. That felt, one of them felt, they both felt more controlled, but yeah, just try to get this control going now. My baby, my KX. I'm not selling you for cheap, you must be mad. I'd rather keep with my green Princess. This bike done taught me a lot, bro. I've got some kind of emotional connection with this bike now, boy. First bike to coast on. First bike to fucking knee, well not knee, first bike to try knee knocking, but first bike to knee knock decent. And first bike I tried Superman wheelies on. Controlled as fuck. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that positioning feels controlled. I feel better like that. That's mad. So it's like I'm less lean back, if anything. I'm more like I'm up there. That shit felt good. So I've got more control like that. Let me let this car pass. I've got to wheelie this whole road now. Just give me some space with the whips. I'm ready for this shit. Let these cars pass. Come on. Fuck it. Good to go. Saying that fucking no, that control felt good. That was just body positioning, that shit helped me out. That was nice. That was nice, bro. Make sure to pop out every week, like even if it's only for a little bit, I make sure, because that seat time is, you know what I'm saying, every time you just clock something, look, even if it's like 1% or 0.1% of an improvement or practice, it's just worth it. Lovely dog, man. Really this skinny shit, can I? Look at this skinny ass road. Fucking hell, mate. Maybe I can fucking wheel it. Maybe I can lean up through that skinny road. Maybe I can lean up through that skinny road. You know, I just surprised myself, boys. I'll be real with you, I didn't think I was gonna be able to lead up through that shit. done it. Fucking done it, mate. Anyone who's ridden super bikes as well as dirt bikes, because I'm guessing most of the people that watch me ride dirt bikes guess it. But anyone that's ridden super bikes, let me know what they're like, man. I'll be real with you. I would love a 636. I would love a 636. That's definitely on my bucket list. I'm not one of those guys that can say dream bike, because it's like I got like about 50,000 dream bikes. I can't say dream bike. That's one of them though. Let's get this whip past. That owner's pissed, right? This looks like one of those fuckers that would jump out in the middle of the road and be like, hey, I'm calling the police. That looks like one of those fuckers, bro. Control your dog, fam. I see bare man that don't know how to walk a dog, bro. I've had like 3 dogs. Control that shit. Whoa. Oh, tell my man's waiting there. Sorry, boss. So you need not pass this one now. I can't wait. I was meant to get a van ages ago, man. Shit went wrong, but I had other finances that had to come first, unfortunately. But I can't wait to get a van, bro, and head to a strip. Because when I head to a strip, I'm not leaving that strip until there's certain things I do every time I go. A lit little ride. I felt like trying to lean up that skinny little road, like forced me to like control it good, like forced me to like aim and focus on control, and it was very smooth. But yeah, we've got 2 things we need to deal with. I'm not gonna lie, but I'm gonna go legit, man. I'm gonna get my license and everything. But at the end of the day, I want big bikes as well one day. Even though this 450 a big bike to me, but yeah, I want a 636 one day. I want that shit. As a rider, I need to know how a few of them bikes feel like. anyways, big up everyone once again, man. Thanks for watching. Appreciate all them likes and everything, man. And I'll see you lot in the next one. Peace.